Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Mill Valley in Riverside County. Remember last video? Very important. This is not the city of Riverside, this is the county of Riverside. And today is concrete pumping day or concrete pouring day. Like I stated in the last video, we're gonna do an overpour on this slab. So what happens is we're gonna pour concrete up to the top of the stem wall. So you can see our forms in the front here where we're going to be pouring, and this prevents water intrusion into the ADU. It's about 7 inches of concrete up to the top of the stem wall. This whole thing is going to get poured today, and believe it or not, we're actually going to frame this thing up tomorrow. And according to Freddie, my #1 framer, we're going to have this whole thing framed up by tomorrow. So if you need any concrete pumping, contact Lenny at Lenny's right there. Lenny's Concrete Pumping, and he'll take care of you. But this is a nice short video, concrete pumping day. I'll be back here tomorrow to take a video of the framing. So guys, any questions about any processes of building an ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.